good friend Larry Chen is putting on a really cool event tonight, and it's the Type S FD pre-meet in Long Beach, California. Rolling along here, heading out. I've seen some cool cars on their way to this event too as well. People are coming from all different kind of places. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get pretty packed, but hopefully we get there at a time where it's not too crazy, so I can get a parking spot, get in, get settled, and check out the cool festivities. This weekend is the Formula Drift Long Beach, which is a round that comes every single year in April. And to me, it's one of the coolest FD events of the year. Actually, tomorrow I'll be heading to the practice and ground so that I can check it out. They're doing this like meet thing at the Queen Mary area where they had that Queen Mary ship in Long Beach. They'll be doing a really cool nighttime meet there. I'm really excited to go. Type S, who does like different lightings and stuff for vehicles, cars, trucks, you name it. There's the event, and another reason I'm excited to go is because I actually just put a Type S lighting on my R34 GT-R. So I'm pretty excited to turn this thing on at night again. All right, so we just got pretty close. We're about less than a mile away, but it is jam-packed. Man, I wish I would have came here 30 minutes earlier, but I was super busy with business stuff, so I could not. But man, they're at a standstill. So I guess the first 100 cars in are free parking, and then everybody else after that has to pay. So everyone's trying to get jammed. I don't know how many vehicles can get packed into the area, but we'll find out. But we're on the way. We're almost there. Less than a mile away, but it is jam-packed. Look at that. All right, we're finally here at the Queen Mary. We're here at this pre-meet, the Type S meet. All the FD cars are here now. I was trying to get some video of them. I'm gonna keep trying to get video, but so many people are packed around the Formula Drift cars right now, so it's really difficult to get a good shot of any of them because so many people are around them. But I'm gonna walk around, show you some cool stuff, hopefully see some friends. I've been getting bombarded by a bunch of people. It's all good. I definitely love coming to these car events and seeing friends, people I've seen I haven't seen ever before, maybe met online, maybe meet them for the first time here, but they're all over the place, just having a good time. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get as much content as I can on all the great cars, great people that are here. So one of my favorite cars on the grid is Matt Field, his C6 Corvette. And it's right over here. Get a good shot of it before people get too close to it again. Gotta love this thing. This thing is always ripping, always super competitive and FD, powerful. My drift Corvette is you know, tailored to be kind of like this, but obviously nowhere near the capability of this car. But you know, this definitely was one of the inspirations of me turning my Corvette into a drift car. Is his car. The lights are out. It's getting dark here. Got some underglow going on. I'm gonna check out some of the underglow on some of these cars. But yeah, I've been getting bombarded by a lot of people here. It's actually been kind of crazy. So like, I came to this meet very incognito. I don't have any of my like race team shirt, hat, swag, jacket, whatever on. I'm very like, you don't know who I am. But I've been getting bombarded by a lot of people, and like for a good reason. Like people recognize who I am, so that's cool. I mean, it's cool. It's very cool to have supporters out there who love what I do on social media, love what I do in the racing world, in the car world. Hey, what's up? How's it going, dude? Good to see you. You gonna be filming? You're gonna be filming all this whole weekend. I'm gonna be at Apple Valley on Saturday doing my first comp. Yeah. So yes, that one. Yeah. No, just Saturday only. Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah.
I might go Sunday because it's like a 2-day.
Okay. Yeah. He's gonna do this like a fun day on Sunday or something like that. Yeah. I'll just do Saturday and then I'll be done. I got Sunday I need to chill.
Good luck, man.
Yeah. Thank you so much. All right. Yeah. Hey. What's up? How's it going? Hey.
Fan
Pretty good.
shows, man.
Oh.
Good stuff.
Oh. Thank you.
You drive the 34 around Fuji.
I actually brought it here.
Really?
Yeah. It's parked over there somewhere.
Man.
I wish I would have got to park it somewhere in here, but like they
Be next to that one.
I know. What? That sounds nice. I don't have a Nismo like intercooler though.
That's a little fun right now, man. One of my
Yeah.
friends has a silver one that I've been looking for. That's the 100mm version.
Oh, the big one. Yeah.
So you're following our account for Van Godzilla.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah.
33, the black 33.
Yep.
Yeah, we got the full Nismo thing going.
Yeah. Did y'all bring it here today?
No,
Oh.
I wish.
Dang.
Not right now. Due to some engine woes. Unfortunately.
My 32 had issues back in the day. Fixed it, actually built it, and then it was, friggin' rocket. Yeah. No, it's, yeah.
How was the drive?
Yeah, like I said, meeting a lot of people, man, running into a lot of folks. Just as I was talking about it, literally two people, three, whatever it was, running into that knew me from social media and all that stuff. So anyways, super cool stuff. I got to find some food here in a moment because I'm starving. And one of my friends, GT-R friends, is here. I got to hit him up and figure out where he's at. Man, I wish I could do some more talking, but I'm just walking around, checking out cool stuff. It's such a beautiful site here. You got the city of Long Beach in the backdrop. You got the Queen Mary back there. So much going on. There's a lot of music too over there, so it's really hard to kind of like stop and talk about everything. But I'm trying to show you all the cool stuff here. FD cars, other cool cars, GT-Rs, you name it. It is crazy packed here. There's still a crazy line to get in here. People are still trying to come in. It's nuts. A lot of people are rolling out right now, which is kind of a good thing because maybe I have a chance to go park on the water side and get some cool shots of the car and also Paul's car too as well. He has a blue R34 GT-R that's right behind mine. I got the pink underglow going right now because it looks cool. But yeah, it's pretty cool being at night here in Long Beach. I think the FD cars are probably gonna roll out pretty soon too here as well. we got the cars next to the Queen Mary. We've been wanting to do this the whole night. We were like, we wanted to come to the meet, but we wanted to get these shots next to the Queen Mary. Mission finally executed. We got the Bayside Blue R34 GT-R with the whole Nismo catalog thrown in it. We got my Sonic Silver R34 GT-R with the new Type S Underglow kit on it, looking sick. We got Crim's Bayside Blue C33 over there. Everybody's here. All right, so they just rolled out. We were able to get the money shots with R34 GT-R, Queen Mary here, Type S meet. It's probably one other spot I want to get. I actually want to park next to that Type S thing over there. If you can see it behind me, it's really colorful. I want to bring the car over there. Maybe I'll get some good shots, maybe not. That'll be about it before I roll out of here. All right, so my night is over. Unfortunately, I did not get to go to that little Type S booth and get some shots. They turned off the lights right as I was about to go pull over there, but it's all good. Anyways, R34 GT-R is looking good. Underglow is looking good. Super fun night being out there at that meet. A lot of people, good meeting up with a lot of folks. Ran into a lot of fans too as well. Solid night. But anyways, almost back at the crib. I'm going to get some rest and then get ready for a very fun weekend. I got some interesting stuff happening, which is going to happen on the other channel I have. If you're not following my other channel, go follow my other channel. It's JESSE_IWUJI. Look that up on YouTube. You'll see my other channel. Follow it. I got some cool stuff coming up on there pretty soon.